very happy to be participating in this event today, especially after a very long time of not having been able to do or participate in these events in Italy. Obviously because of COVID and the impossibility of having these events, but more importantly because it's very refreshing and positive to see the recognition that the data center industry and the data center business is starting to get, also in a market like Italy, which has been considered for a long time a tier 2, maybe, so not as important as Nordics or Northern European markets. But I think we are getting there. The momentum that we've seen today, the caliber of the speakers that are participating in these events and the topics that we're discussing are a clear demonstration that this event was very much needed, and it's a demonstration as well of how much the data center industry in Italy is growing. Stack is a global company. We have operations in the US, we have operations in Europe, we have operations in Asia Pacific. We focus on all markets where we see growth potential, and Italy is clearly one of these very promising markets, and we are trying to use as much as possible the global expertise that we have and apply it into the local markets. There is, in our view, a very good complementarity between the global skills that we have and the global best practices that we've developed in other markets, like in the US, like in Northern Europe, that we can complement and use in local markets like Italy. We are a firm believer that in order to succeed and offer a good service for data center and co-location, we need to have a very strong local presence. We need to have a very strong awareness of how the local environment in Italy is structured, and to be able to interact positively with it. We cannot apply a model that comes exported 100% and expect it to work in any new market. So our plans rely on our experience, on our expertise that were developed in other markets, but taking into account as well the experience and the local context that we have in Italy. Italy is probably in the next 5 years going to be a booming market for a number of reasons. Most of them are related to the fact that there's a lot of cloud workloads that are being considered to be shifted from other parts of the world, like Northern Europe to Southern Europe, and Italy is going to play a major part in this rebalancing of these workloads. And so there is a great opportunity of growing the data center footprint in Italy based on these future developments. It's key for the data center industry in Italy to be able to organize itself and create the awareness that is necessary to accompany and support this growth. So we need to be able to explain very well to all the constituents that we have in the ecosystem, so the local government, the central government in Italy, the power companies, utilities, schools, municipalities, what are the benefits and what are the potential positive outcomes from this development of the data center industry in Italy, so that we are able to shape the growth path that will support the data center growth in Italy. And it's the same path that we are following in each of our countries. So whether it's in other countries in Europe, whether it's in Asia Pacific, whether it's in Northern America and Canada, we are always following the same playbook, so that we are focusing on creating this awareness in the ecosystem, in the local ecosystem, so that it becomes a win-win situation that accompanies the growth of our data center market. Thank you.
Thank you.